Hi, in this video going to talk about what are the differences in between train control and train management, and this video is related with the TCMS train control monitoring system, which is a computerized system which is responsible for controlling all the activities which is being done in the train. Like for an example, automatic control of temperature in the train interior that is being done with the help of the TCMS. I've taken the example of VAC. Like for an example, if the interior temperature of train is getting increased, then temperature sensor would sense that temperature and it would give command to the TCMS, and TCMS again it would generate some signal, and that signal would flow in VAC, and VAC would like control the interior of the train, due to which the temperature would get controlled. Temperature compensation would happen automatically through TCMS. And how TCMS is able to monitor all the activities being done in the train, like for an example, if a CCTV camera of particular car is not working, then it would pop up in the display of the TCMS and I would get to know about that. So in this way TCMS is monitoring all the activities happening in the train. If announcement system is not working, I would get to know about that in my TCMS. If some door is isolated, train door is not opening, then I would get to know about that in the TCMS. So in this way TCMS is monitoring all the activities which is being done in the train. Right now in this video, in this and just by this monitoring, measurement, management, and then train management, monitoring, controlling, as I said, what was the definition of the TCMS computerized system, which is responsible for controlling, management, and for monitoring all the activities which is being done in the train. Now according to that, TCMS functions has been divided into two types: train control and train management. Right, train control and train management. Now this train control, what is the train control and what is the train management, and what are the differences in between both of them? We are going to talk about that in this video. Now train control is a function. It is a function which is responsible for the operation of the train. Right, if any error is happening in this train control system, then it would affect the operation of the train cannot run, train cannot operate. Right, now second is the train management. So far what we have understood, train control, it is an essential function needed to drive and operate the train. If any loss of one of this function, if there is any problem which is happening in this train control function, then it would affect the operation of the train directly. Train cannot be run. Now second is the train management. Now what is train management? This train management is not responsible for the operation of the train. If there is any problem which is happening in the train management system, then it would not hamper the operation of the train. Right, this function are not mandatory to drive the train control, this function is mandatory to drive the train, and train management, this function is not mandatory to drive the train. Let me give you a simple example. If there is something, if any system, I am taking any of the system, whatever system you want to take, you can consider either it could be mechanical system, electrical system. If system is stable, if system is operating in a control manner, then we can manage that particular system, isn't it? If system is not operating in control manner, then we cannot manage that system. First priority is the controlling, and second priority is the management. If system is under controlled way, if system is operating under stability, then we can manage that system. If system is unstable, then we cannot manage that system. So controlling, stability is the first priority and the management is the second priority. So far what we have understood, train control, it is a function of TCMS which is very responsible for driving, for operating the train, and train management, it is a maintenance assistance, or you can say this function is not mandatory to drive the train. Right, now in this way we can define the function of the TCMS, how we would define monitoring, how we would define controlling, what is the controlling, if there is problem happening in the controlling of the TCMS, so what would happen if there is problem happening in the management of the TCMS, then what would happen. So this kind of questions might arise, right, and for that the answer would all this thing. Right, now TCMS, see, in